students, welcome back. Here in this video I am going to solve one question related to center of gravity. This question is very helpful for 10th class, 11th class, 12th class students and students who are pursuing in mechanical discipline with mechanical engineering branch, and also the students who are pursuing for diploma in mechanical engineering also. So let's continue. Question says, find the center of gravity of T section as shown in the figure with respect to x and y axis for the following figure. So x axis and y axis both are given, and in this first xy plane, in this first quadrant, T section is given whose dimension is as following, that 12 centimeter, 3 centimeter its width, and 10 centimeter depth also. So first of all I would like to say this is called flange and this is called wave. ये हमें wave कहलाता है और ये हमारा कहलाता है flange कहलाता है, flange. So dimension of flange is given also 12 multiplied by 3, that is 12 centimeter length and 3 centimeter depth. And for wave it is also given the dimension, that is 10 centimeter depth and the 3 centimeter its width. So let's continue how to solve the how to find the center of gravity or CG or centroid for the given figure. So first of all I would like to choose the figure such that the total figure given, choose the axis such that total figure would occupy in one plane. So it is axis is already given, x axis and y axis, so we have no problem because the whole T section is captured in the xy plane. So second step, we have to participate, we have to taken a part of the given figure into small section. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसमें टुकड़ा लेते हैं, पीस लेते हैं. जैसे सपोज करते हैं कि टी सेक्शन है, so we are going to divide it into two parts like this. If I am cutting horizontally, so this would be first part and this would be the second part. Now ultimately we have to apply the formula for center of gravity, that is x bar is nothing but, here two parts are there, so a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2, and second thing y bar is nothing but a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Now what is x bar, what is y bar? This is the location or point of the center of gravity for the T section. So according to x axis or y axis, we have chosen the value of x1 y1 x2 y2 and a1 a2. First of all, for the section first, a1, what is the area a1? For section 1, a1 is nothing but see, this is the rectangular portion, so 12 and 3, so 12 multiplied by 3 centimeter square. Let me write at last. Okay, so now a1 हो गया, x1 and y1. What is x1? x1 is nothing but the, for the first section, what would be the imaginary centroid or center of gravity location? So this is the rectangular portion, so somehow where middle would be there, at middle portion, यहाँ पर ही उसका centroid होगा. So x1 is nothing but the distance from y axis. So distance from y axis is what? From here, what would be the value? So 12 and it's 50%, that is 12 divided by 2, यानी 6 हो गया. And y1 is nothing but the distance from x axis. What would be the distance of this centroid for the first section from the x axis? Is nothing but 10 and 3, 50% of 3, इसका आधा हो जाएगा, तो 10 तो रहेगा. यहाँ से the distance measure, all the distance are measured from the axis chosen. So x axis से इसका distance कितना होगा इस point का? So यहाँ से तो हम approach करना शुरू कर देंगे, advance करेंगे, तो 10 centimeter first we have to cross, then 50% of this wave width of the flange. So 10 plus half of 3, so we can say 10 plus 3 upon 2. So 10 plus 3 upon 2, that is 1.5. It means what? 11.5. Now for the second section, what would be the value? That is a2 is nothing but 10 and 3, so 10 multiplied by 3, since it is the rectangular portion. And now x2 and y2, x2 is nothing but the distance from y axis. So first we have to see for the rectangular portion, rectangular section number 2, where the centroid lies. So I think centroid would be centroid lies along this vertical axis, and here is the horizontal axis. So at this point for the section 2 centroid lies, because a rectangular portion. Okay, so now x2 is nothing but the distance from y-axis. What would be the distance from y-axis? See, this section is, this T section is equally symmetric about this vertical axis. So we can say definitely at a distance of 12 upon 2, that is 6 centimeter from y-axis, its location would be there. So we can say x2 is nothing but the 12 upon 2. It means what? 6 would be the numerical value, and y2 is nothing but the distance from x-axis. What will be the distance from x-axis is nothing but total is 10 centimeter, and 50% of 10 means what? 10 upon 2. It means 5. So we have already given some, we have total data which we have to require to find for x bar and y bar. So putting all these data into the formula, we have x bar is nothing but a1 x1 plus a2 x2 upon a1 plus a2. It means what? A1 12 multiplied by 3 into x1, that is 6, plus a2 10 multiplied by 3 into x2 value is 6 whole divided by a1, that is 12 multiplied by 3, plus a2 10 multiplied by 3. See, 3 3 3. So if you are taking, okay, common 3, then 12 multiplied by 6, or okay, 6 also I am taking common, then 10 12 plus 10 whole divided by, if I am taking 3 as common, then 12 plus 10. So 3 3 cancel, 6 multiplied by 22 divided by 22. So 22 goes out, 6 would be the value, and y bar is nothing but a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So if I am putting the corresponding value, 12 multiplied by 3 into y1 is nothing but 11.5 plus a2 is 10 into 3 into y2. y2 is 5 whole divided by 12 multiplied by 3 plus 10 multiplied by 3. So if I am taking 3 as common and 5 also, so 12, sorry, 5, no, 5 we are not taking common because 5 is not, okay. So we can say 3 as common, then 12 multiplied by 11.5 plus 10 multiplied by 5 whole divided by 12 multiplied by, if I am taking 3 as common, then 12 plus 10. So 3 goes out. Okay, using calculator we have 12 multiplied by 11.5 plus 10 multiplied by 5, that is 50 whole divided by 22. So it's comes out to be 8.54 round off data. Okay, now so this is therefore centroid, center of gravity for the given T section is G, location is x bar is nothing but 6, and y bar is nothing but 8.54. This would be the answer, correct answer for this. Okay, so I am showing x bar is 6, means distance from y axis. 6 means what? Here since T section is symmetry about this vertical axis, so we can say centroid or center of gravity would lie on this line. So at a distance of 6 centimeter from here, and 8.54 means total is 10 centimeter for the wave, and 8 point means what? Little bit lower than this portion. It means what? Somehow at this distance. So G point, whose coordinate point is 6, 8.54. This is the centroid. Okay, for the section, for the following figure. I think at the end, if you find my my video very helpful, you also like, comment, share among your friends and family. Thank you for watching my video.